So welcome back guys. In previous video we have talked about data types and in this video we will talk about variables. So let's get started. Okay. What is variables? Variables are the container which hold any value of any data type. So you can imagine a variable as a container in which you can store any value and use it later in your program. Variable are used for store and manipulate the data in in our program. So variable are used for storing and manipulating the data. Name of the variable is user defined. So the name of the variable is defined by the user. So you can use any name as you want, but there is certain rules for naming the variable. We will discuss about these rules later in this video. Can't use same name for different variables. So every variable have unique name. Rule for naming the variable. So there are certain rules for naming the variables. So first is name of the variable must be in single word. So you cannot use more than one word for naming the variable. It can contain letters from small a to z and capital A to Z and the numbers from 0 to 9. So you can use numbers and letters, but you can't use special character except dollar sign and underscore sign. So you cannot use exclamation mark or star or at the rate. So you can only use dollar sign or underscore sign if you want to use. Name can't be start with number, it must be start with letter or underscore. So you cannot start the name of the variable with a number. So you cannot define a name like 1 2 3 or 2 3 where like that. You must be start the name with a letter or underscore. Fine. So you cannot use space between the name of the variable. So if you want to use space instead of using space, you can use underscore or camel case. So what is camel case here? We will discuss about it. So the example is user. So user, this is a valid name for variable. Underscore where, this is also a valid name. ASED123 1 and underscore 2, and this is the last one is the example of camel case. So here the 1 and 2 both are different word, but we want to use these words for our variable. So what we can do, we can use first letter of each word as a capital. So the first letter of 1 is O, which is capital, and 2 is T, which is capital. So this is all about rule of for this is all about rules for naming the variables. And next topic is how to define or create the variable. So the syntax for defining the variable is you must need to define the data type of the variable, which is which type of data your variable will be hold. Fine. So this is the data type, and we have discussed about the data types in previous video. And second is name of the variable. So first give data type, then space, then name of the variable, and then initial value of the variable, which is optional. So you can, so these two things is compulsory. First is data type and then the name of the variable, and you can also give the initial value of the variable. For example, int var. So here int is the data type, which means the name of the variable is var. So which means var variable hold the data type of integer, or it can hold the integer value. And second is int var is equal to 21. So here we have given the initial value of var. So here is data type and then name of the variable, then equal to, and then 21. So 21 is the initial value of var, or you can only give the value which match the data type of that variable. So int is the data type and we have give the integer value, which is 21. So here another example is char value. So char is the data type and we have give the value of variable name value, which is b, so in single inverted comma. Fine. Another is float value 2 is equal to 33.4, and another is string name code easy. So string is also a data type. We have discussed about this string data type in previous video. So you can use string as a data type, and here is the name of the variable, which is name here, and you can give the initial value, which is code is. Fine. So this is all about this is all about variables. So in next video we will see the practical of these variables and also the data types. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you.